Hello everyone, this is Movie and Game Lover 98, and today I'll be doing a video showing this new power adapter I got for my new GameCube system. So yeah, let's get started, and I hope you guys enjoy. Yeah, here's the new power adapter for my new GameCube. It looks pretty cool, doesn't it? It's a KMD AC adapter for GameCube, and it looks like an old school plug-in to a laptop. Well, yeah, it looks like the plug-in to like a laptop almost. And also I think it's almost like the Xbox 360. Yeah, it almost looks like the Xbox 360's AC adapter. So yeah, now I can use my GameCube system for real. So yeah, that's my new AC adapter for my GameCube system. So yeah, if you guys like this video, just leave a comment below and share your thoughts on this AC adapter for GameCube. So yeah, that's all for this video, everyone, so see you guys next time. This is Movie and Game Lover 98, signing off, and have a nice time, everyone. Enjoy the video.